Hello. Finally, I have some time to make a little video real quick. And first off, I wanted to show you my new body kit. I've actually had it since December, so 6 months now. But I bought it used from a guy in the UK. I actually traded him a Turbo X cluster for it. And so getting ready to put that on the Turbo X here soon, probably within the next couple days. But when he shipped it, it had some, he taped it down and the tape adhesive got stuck to the body kit. So I'm trying to get it off with some Goo Gone over there. And so it's working, I'm just letting it soak. But yeah, they're actually in really good condition other than that. So I'm excited to get this done. It's gonna look awesome on the Turbo X there. And I've been drove this around today. It is running really good. It throws a limit performance just because it's flowing way too much air than it thinks it should be. So we're gonna have that tuned. I got 550cc injectors for it, so I'm excited. I just need to get it done. So, but the 20G wheel works awesome. I'm curious on how it's gonna perform when it's tuned. It's just on a map tune stage 3 right now, and I get on it, I'll just throw limited performance, and just because it's putting a lot more error than the mass airflow sensor wants, so a tune will fix that. Some other things I just got parts stacking up everywhere. There's a 9.5. So this thing broke as soon as I got back from Florida, and I'm not even sure how it broke, but it broke as soon as I got back from Florida driving it home to Idaho. And so I finally found a new one. I didn't want to buy a brand new one just because they're kind of spendy for what they are, but found this one used on eBay. It's in pristine condition, so I'm gonna get that swapped on there. I'm also selling these wheels, which are not in the best condition. Like I think it will come off or maybe not. So yeah, they're not in the best condition. It's hard to, I'll have to clean them up, but I'm going to be selling these, or I might keep them. I haven't decided yet, but they're for sale on eBay right now, but I don't know. I don't really want to sell them, but this one's not too bad. It has some curb rash. That one's actually not the best either. It has some curb rash. I think they probably all, this one actually is the only one that's like not bad. So, kind of sucks. But, they're not in the best condition and I wanted something different. And so I got some new wheels for it, which are in here. And I got some Tesla 21-inch turbines that I'm super excited to get on. So hopefully those will be going on the next week. Gotta order some tires, which 21-inch tires are super expensive. Super expensive. But I did get some new tire pressure sensors. These aren't them, they're in the 9.5. So they'll work because the Tesla ones are on a different frequency. Another thing I had done was I got the hub board out to 67.1 because to fit the factory hub, they are 67.1 on the 9.5 and Teslas are 64.1. But yeah, these are the same bolt pattern. So, oops. These are the same bolt pattern, so I'm excited about that. And can't wait to get those on. So yeah, give it a week. I'll have those on. Let's show you the entire journey on how I got them, where I got them, what I paid, and what my initial plans were to get spacers, but I'll talk about it all in the video on those. So I'm excited about that. And then another thing, not Saab related, but I love the Turbo X. These wheels look awesome. 19-inch turbines, or not turbines, sorry about that. 19-inch Turbo X wheels I had them shipped here from Europe. So had them redone, new diamond cut and powder coated when I got them, just to restore them. But yeah, I love that car. And then over here, I acquired another Saab. It's not the one, there was another one I wanted, an old vintage Saab, but I haven't heard much on that, so especially with this whole virus thing. But I got this 08 Saab 9.3 2.0. it's not in great condition by any means. Gonna have to redo the headlights. You see the bumper's cracked there, the hood's messed up, and yeah, it's not the, these two new rear window regulators, which I'm gonna put in. And then the guy I bought it from, he has an 08 and he swapped out the interior out of his and put it in this one and took the interior out of this one. And so he left all the interior out of it, and so I just had to put it back in. And so now it has tan seats that originally had black, but it had, this one has all the options. Well, not all, but it had a lot of the options for a 2.0. It has the cornering headlights, which is kind of weird. I didn't know the 2.0s came with them. It had all the silver trim. He took the one off the center console, so now I'm left with the wood. And he took the door panels. He just took all the black out of this thing. But yeah, so now it has tan seats, and it has the wood trim instead of the silver. But yeah, it has the cornering headlights, which is kind of cool for a 2.0. And it has also the park assist, the rear parking sensors, and it's not bad. I think I'm just gonna fix it up, probably resell it, make some little money. I got some regulators for it, and put everything back together, get all the little issues fixed, and hopefully call it good there and just get it resold, or maybe keep it. Gets good gas mileage. And then, not Saab related, finally, I got another turbo for the GMC Sierra. So that's going to be going on this week as well. It's a Gen 2.5 VS Racing, billet wheel, 1.25 AR on the exhaust side. Right now, factory, or not factory, but right now I just have an on3 7875 with the 0.96 AR. And as you guys know, it's getting choked up on the top end. It's max power at like 5,500 RPMs. It made 630 on like 12 pounds, but I'm hoping to make over 700 easily with that VS Racing one. And the torque should be actually probably lower, because the torque with this turbo was 809, so it puts it down to the wheels, and which is insanely a lot for a gas pickup, but it runs good. I need definitely a bigger exhaust housing, so gonna get that on this week. So I'm super excited about that. Thing looks awesome. VS Racing makes really nice turbos, so I'm really excited. All new intercooler piping, all 3-inch to 3.5-inch. But yeah, this car runs good. Needs an ECU, which I got one. Just gotta put it in and clean it up and get everything fixed on it. Probably won't fix the bumper or the hood, just leave it, and I don't know, I haven't decided yet. If I can find a cheap one, I will. But it has brand new tires. So yeah, that's the update on all the cars and what's new and what's coming. 9.5, or not 9.5, but 9.7 is still the same. I never actually showed you guys a whole grand tour of it. It's really dirty right here, so right now, so I have to do a whole overview, get it all washed up and do a whole overview, but that's not bad. It has black leather, navigation, rear entertainment. I bought some wheels off an Aero and put them on it, and so it looks good. It's 5.3 liter V8, and I drive it every day. That's what I drive mostly, back and forth to work. But yeah, it needs some love. It needs cleaned up. It runs good and everything. It just needs cleaned up and a good detail on it. Get some new tires for it. But yeah, I'm most excited about getting this body kit on. I'm super excited on how it looks. So I'll do an install video on that and show you. We'll get my wheels put on here, and I'll show you a video that's on that on itself. Same with the turbo, and I'll probably make a video series on the 2.0, just getting it back to its full capacity. Looks like it's definitely been neglected, so we'll get that done. But definitely in love with this Turbo X. So yeah, we'll have this thing, getting it tuned soon and putting the injectors in that as well. So yeah, a lot going on, just need some more time at the moment to get things done. But I'm glad to get this stupid trim piece finally for this headlight. And get my Tesla wheels put on. Like I said, if you guys are interested in these, email me. I'll put it in the description. But I don't know. I kind of want to keep them, kind of want to get rid of them. If I get rid of them, I won't be sad because I'm not gonna put them back on. I don't drive it in the winter. I don't have no reason to drive it in the winter, so I don't care if 21s are on it. But they're also factory wheels, so I kind of want to keep it, but I need to start getting rid of stuff. I have stuff piling up everywhere, per Saab stuff. So yeah, probably best would be just to get rid of them, not get so cluttered. But yeah, I appreciate you guys watching, and next time, in the next few videos, hopefully you guys see some of these parts actually on these cars, and not just me talking about them, because I've had that maxed in body kit for over 6 months now, and it's time to finally get it on. So I'm going to get it cleaned up and get it ready to get put on. I got some C-clamps to hold it in place, and I bought rivets. I'm going to rivet it in instead of the bolts that they send, because I don't know, I like rivets and they seem to hold up fine. So I'm excited to see how it looks. I think it's going to make it look really good, and probably going to scrape that front lip more than I should, but hopefully I'm not. This one I have on it, I haven't broken it yet, but I've also only put 3,000 miles on this car in the past year and a half, so it doesn't get drove very often. But yeah, thanks for watching, and if you guys have any advice on putting this body kit on or anything, let me know. But I'll see you guys all in the next videos.